disappoint you. I wish that I could take it all back sincerely. I really don't wanna annoy you, but I never meant to do you like that.
I never meant to grip you up in public or make you self-conscious of your stomach. I was nervous, I guess, bought you that pregnancy test, but it turns out you were just fat.
Those days that you packed my lunch, I should have thanked you when I said I'd call you back, but never rang you. I canceled our plans, then went out and lied, and got picked up drunk at 4:45. But I'll promise you this, though I've let you down this far, I can love you forever if you loan me your folks' car. Was it something I said? I'll make it all up in bed. Just give me a shot, see if it's worth it or not. Put it behind us and move ahead. I didn't mean to disappoint you. I wish that I could take it all back since